Here's a recap of some of the top reasons somebody might sell their house to a house buying company like Senna House Buyers. One, you're facing a divorce, whether that just got completed or you're in the middle of it and you need to sell that property quickly. Number two is inheritance. You've inherited a property from a family member, whether that's going through probate, they have a will, they don't have a will, etc. Number three, paying off debts or liens, whether associated to the property or not associated to the property. Oftentimes, selling a house is a good way to be able to get some quick cash and pay those debts and liens off. Number four is facing foreclosure, whether that's a tax or a mortgage foreclosure. If you're behind on payments and you're going to lose the house, call somebody as quickly as possible so they can get that process started. Number five is tired landlord. Maybe you just a new rental property, an old rental property, you're just tired of dealing with tenants and toilets and turmoil and you want to get rid of that house as quickly as possible. Number six is downsizing. You have a big house and you want to get to a smaller house. You have a bunch of stuff in it. You don't want to deal with the hassle of figuring out where to go or what to do with your stuff, and you need some help with that. Number seven is flood damage property. So whether that's burst pipes or down here in Texas, a flood event from a natural disaster, and you got a bunch of water damage in the house and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to navigate the insurance process, and you need some help with that. And number eight is unmanageable or deferred maintenance. So you have your roof's falling apart, your AC's gone out, the electrical needs to be updated, the foundation's out of whack, whatever the case might be, you don't have the time, effort, energy, or money to fix that property, and you want somebody who doesn't mind buying the house with all of those repairs. So those are some of the top reasons that we find that 90% of the houses we buy are facing one of those scenarios. So if you can relate to one of those, give us a shout and we'll be happy to help you.